Cole, what's going on today, man? Day three.
Day 3
of the Scrambler build. What's going?
5 degrees out in Minnesota, and the quad needs a little bit of a scrubbing. So,
as you guys seen in our last video, well, if you haven't seen it, the link is down in the description. It's basically down to its shell, right, man?
yeah, but she's still pretty dirty.
She's insanely dirty. Underneath all that junk from sitting outside, man.
Yeah. So,
Cole, what's that behind you, by the way, man?
you guys know it. Oh, it's kind of the last nice day we got around here, so I figured one more little rip before winter time hits, I guess. So.
Okay, so we'll probably follow Code over there.
Yeah.
I'll race your ass. Got me. Freaking beautiful night, guys. Beautiful. All right, Cole, let's go look at this turd.
Look at the turd. You open the door up now, or we'll get the air compressor?
We can open up the door now. Let's show the viewers, in case they missed it, how it is now. See if they can even tell it's a Scrambler.
It's so dark in here.
There she is, boys. All right. Let's air up these tires and get her out and give her a good clean wash. We just need enough to move it, boys. They're gonna go flat pretty soon anyway because the ring's bent. Let's see the fucker. I'll push it. Wait.
She's really moving. She's a skeleton.
Yep. Should we get a better picture now that we got some light, dude?
Sure.
She sort of looks like an ATV, huh? This is what we're talking about, guys. Underneath all the plastic, it was just caked in there. So we're gonna try to clean this up a little bit. Bob's boy, we need a tow.
Hey guys.
We need a tow, buddy.
You want to need a tow?
Yeah, can you lug her over there for us?
He's already got the rope. Hell of a guy. Bomb's John Deere taxi service. I'm hopping in with you, buddy.
Okay. Got her code. The brakes on the bastard.
Don't hit the truck, buddy.
Power steering, ain't ya?
Power steer.
Good day. Good day.
Go drive the Polaris. Hell yeah, buddy.
Only proper way to ride one right here.
Bombs, how's the Polaris look to you, buddy?
Like a proper Polaris?
How's the Polaris look to you?
Proper Polaris?
Like a regular Polaris.
Hey.
Shitty.
She's down to her shell, buddy.
You guys, Chad was pretty proud of you guys the way you had that Thunderbirds gutted out.
What's nice about this old four-wheeler is that you don't got to worry about screwing anything up because it's already in such rough shape, right, Bombs?
That's right. Got a good chain on her though.
Good chain on her. We got a lot of parts for her, buddy. We'll have to show that off later. Okay, well, since I got you guys, since we got the camera out, I thought to show the old man and Cody some of the parts we've got so far. This ain't all of it, and it ain't the big stuff, but we got quite a lot in here. So I didn't even open some of this shit up because I just been trigger.
Money's still hard for Danny.
New CDI box for it. Got that. Oh shit. Anybody got a knife on them?
What's your card parts?
Oh, this is a card rebuild kit. Right here, guys. We're definitely going to need this.
You dropped something, by the way.
We're definitely going to need that, boys. So, some of the shit together. This, new battery. Don't need to take that out. New battery. This is our new choke cable. This is the back sprocket assembly right here. Because the back sprocket with the chain on it looked kind of in rough shape, so I got the entire assembly right here. We got here new display right here, not new, used.
Looks new.
Yeah.
Looks
So hopefully all the lights work on this and everything. Found a good deal on used. Then I got a new thumb assembly right now because ours is locked up pretty damn good right now.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now let's open some of this shit. Okay, I think I know what this is. This is the new chain for the back. This one's got 3 chains on it. This one's for the back. That might be it so far, guys. So we got a decent haul.
Yeah, man.
I'd say so.
Pretty good.
We just we obviously want to get a new top end kit for this. I got a starter on the way. That's another thing. Got a new starter on the way. So yeah, we're still getting parts in, but we're off to a good start.
Off to a damn good start.
That's alright, we can get it. Hey, will you take this?
There you go.
Well, guys, that'll do it with this kind of just random video. Stay tuned for us actually looking at the motor and stuff like that coming soon.
Heck yeah.